Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. Today in this video I'm going to share with you guys my top 2 download managers for Android devices. Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon beside the subscription button so you stay tuned whenever I upload. So let's get started with this video. So the first on my list is EDM Pro, which is a really nice browser for kind of like everything except maybe I think torrent download, but it's really fast, and it also has it inbuilt browser which you can access by swiping from left to right and tapping on this browser. So from here you could just browse for whatever it is that you want to download. Let's say google.com from the browser, and it will grab links automatically from this browser, and also you could like configure it to grab links from other browsers also. That is links placed in your clipboard. So from here you see you could play around with the settings, disable browser for system, disable icon in launcher. If you like, it will be invisible in your app drawer, and also desktop mode, enable JavaScript, you should do that, and auto add video. Well, let's head to this data, export list of downloads. You could like import settings in case you do, but no one does that. So from the downloading, here you can see you can configure it to like kind of like create an empty file first before downloading. What this does, it's obvious, as you can see, to accelerate downloading, so it reserves the space for that file. So the next is auto resume. So after error occurs and break connection, whenever you regain internet connection, it will just resume all your downloads. And you can also change the simultaneous download from here if you want it to be 3 at a time or 2 at a time. To me, 2 at a time is decent, and threads per download if you like up to 9, but 5 is decent. So minimum size of thread, well, maximum number of errors 128. I don't think there will ever be 128 errors on one file. So user agent, if you like, you could change this, but just stick to the desktop Google Chrome. I think it's best here. So, and let's go back to the download interface, or let's just try downloading something and see what we get. Let's say paste. Let's try downloading a torrent file, and let's see if this browser can download torrent. So from this list, let's go with the one that is less in size, this, and let's see if this browser can also download torrent files. So get this torrent. Well, this is pretty much the downside of this browser. It cannot download torrent files, but it's really nice for downloading movies and pretty much everything except torrent. So let's move to our second browser, which is IDM, and this is the icon. There are a lot of IDMs in Play Store. You don't want to download this version of IDM with this particular logo. So okay, I will really let me continue development. Well, I'll do that later. So this is our IDM, and this is what it looks like when you open it, and you can also access its panel by swiping from left to right, and here are its panel, and as you can see, it supports torrent files because I already tested. So number of parts, which is kind of like number of threads from data browser, and upload speed, max upload. To access some of the settings, you'll have to buy this by tapping on upgrade to IDM Plus. So this is really nice. Well, I kind of liked that one more for general usage, except for the torrent. I always use this. So let's try downloading something from the torrent. It also has its inbuilt browser, which you can access here. So you tap on browser, and let's try downloading torrent file and see. if it does work. Actually, ADM is more organized than this IDM, but when you are after torrent files, you'll definitely need this application. So let's try downloading this Ola TV Pro and see. So get this torrent. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. It means a lot to me. So after tapping on get this torrent, what you do is you uncheck this Wi-Fi only if you're on cellular data. As you can see, I'm on cellular data. Then you tap on start and it should start your download. As you can see, downloading file Ola TV Pro. So from here to exit this browser is something else. If you want to add tabs, you just tap on this add and it will add another tab. To exit it, you just tap here and exit browser, and as you can see, our torrent file is downloading. Whoop, it just finished downloading. So here are the files inside the torrent, and I think you can access all this through your file manager under, I think it should be under downloads. So sort by US first. Well, it's not under downloads. Let's see, IDM. Okay, it's under IDM and under torrent. For torrent, see, this is what I just downloaded. It even extracted everything. So please, if you do like this video tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.